So this section is about finding or evaluating symbolic representation for the formulas that are now in function form. Okay, so take a look, and I'm actually on page 521 if you have a book, but let's say we're taking a look at a function of f of x. Oops, I messed up. So we have f of x, and it's equal to 3x minus 7. Okay, and we say x is going to be negative 2. So what they're asking you to do is to take the negative 2 and put it in for x. So that would be f of negative 2. And so it's 3 times negative 2 minus 7. So we're actually taking the negative 2 and putting it into the function. This does not mean, and I've seen students misinterpret this, but this does not mean f multiplied by negative 2. This means f of x. F of negative 2. Okay? That's what it's saying. And so all you're doing is doing the mathematics on the right side. So you get negative 6 minus 7, and then you get negative 13. And so f of negative 2 is negative 13, or it's a point, negative 2 comma negative 13. So this is a particular point on this particular function. Okay, so let's take a look at another example. Let's say it's f of x equal to x divided by x plus 2, and we're going to say that x is 0.5 or a half. So we put that in, so that's f of 0.5, and that's 0.5 divided by 0.5 plus 2. So right, so now we go to adding the 0.5 and the plus 2, so we have 0.5 divided by 2.5. Okay, so I'll just draw a little arrow because I'm running out of space here. So then now we have to do the division here. So that would be f of 0.5, and so we take 0.5 and divide it by 2.5, and we get 0.2. So 0.2. And so here we have the y value here, and we have the x value here. So we actually have a point. So the point is 0.5 comma 0.2, or 5/10 comma 2/10. Right? So let's do another example so that people get an idea of different functions and what they look like. How about f of x equal to the square root of x minus 1, where x is, let's say, 10. So that means we have f of 10 equal to the square root of 10 minus 1, and 10 minus 1 is 9, so that's the square root of 9, and the square root of 9 is 3, so f of 10 equals 3, or we have 10 comma 3. So this is an actual point, and this is how we write functions. Okay.